Yo. Yo, we go to prison.
You are going to prison. Cause when the police them come, and a statement them me a stick to, and a statement them me give them.
What statement then?
You kidnapped me. What?
Hey. Let me tell you something that you failed to realize. If me end up in prison, which I highly doubt, because I'm not going back. But if you feel you could switch sides against me after all this, you going dead first. Remember that.
I was only just making a joke.
A joke? With people life? You think it's a game? You think it's a joke? You running around buying mackerel, tuna fish and all this shit, y'all walk around with disguise. People know you. This ain't no game. You're serious. This bigger than what you know. Because you don't understand what's really going on. It's bigger than you. It's bigger than me. Hey, I'm gonna get myself on this food for the people, dude.
Alright, just make good talk about this and fix it, please.
Tired of this talking every day. We keep on talk. It's action time. I'm tired of talking right now. Everybody with this bag of talking. Hey, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna fix all these. I'm gonna fix everything. Today I'm gonna fix today I'm gonna fix all this.
Alright. I'm gonna take out the ear, put on by the clothes I did inner, and we probably can do the video. It might work or help. I don't know.
You come with this might foolishness. What you mean might work? When we sat down, you told me your auntie got the money, and from I come up with the plan, she gonna push out my money. I want my money. Got me, I talk about this might, man, I working on might. If it go sour, you going dead. Make sure me tell you going dead if this goes sour.
Just calm down, please. My auntie have the money and she will pay you. But forget that out of the way. Want something to eat?
No goddamn food. I want my money. 40% of that is mine and 60 is yours. I need that to deal with something. My money, I want the food.
But you still have to get something to eat. Matter of fact, take out the glasses. Cheer up. Cheer up. Smile.
Hey, Lucky Charms, what's going on?
Wagwan, man. The piece of predicament you find yourself in, to show you really want to do this, boy.
You the fool. Talk about predicament. I'm alright. You out in the open. I'm behind my bulletproof vest.
Your mother!
You know, one thing me realize boy a long time, you know. You don't have no sense. But I can tell you this. Somebody out there in here today, you know. So hear me tell you for them. Let her go. Put down the gun. And we go talk.
Well, we in the next predicament now. I think if it go this way, you put down your gun on the steps, step away from it, come down to the bottom of the steps, then I let her go, and then I put down my gun, and we can talk.
You know, so the half of me just here. But now here again, you know. So I tell you right now, let her go.
Well, look like I'm gonna work with that. I'm gonna work with that offer. Here's my offer.
We are do.
Hey, Mr. Policeman. Boy, I don't like you regard human life. You fire wild shots round here. Hey, old boy, push out your head, I have something for you.